Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami wraparound envelope. And this is how it works. So it's closed up right now, and this is how you open it. So you go into this pocket, release that flap inside, and this is how it opens. So it's called a wraparound envelope because this comes over like that and this wraps around like that, and then you put it into the pocket. And you can open it up, and you can stick a gift inside there, like maybe some cash or something as a gift. Or you can do what I did in that YouTube short. I wrote Happy Father's Day on it. So yeah, you can write something like that in there, and then you can close it back up. It wraps closed. That's why I named it the wraparound envelope. And this is really simple too. And it can also be a flicker. If you close these double edges off, it might fly like a flicker. Okay, would you like to learn how to fold it? Yeah? Alright, here we go. So this model I folded from a 6-inch square of kami, but for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami. But you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin. You could use pretty much any square for this. Printer paper cut square, any type of square paper would work, because this is a really simple model. So fold white side up and fold in half both ways. Unfold, and just fold one corner to the middle. We are not blitzing. Well, let me take a sip of my coffee real quick. I just came back from the gym, working out. The first thing I do when I come home is get my coffee. Okay. Well, enough with the coffee, let's get back to the model. Okay, so don't unfold that. Rotate. And we're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle too, but we're not going to make the whole fold. Just fold in the middle, just about like that. And you can make that crease mark about that long. Alright, and now we're going to take this corner and we're going to bring it to that point where this crease hits the edge. And don't fold it all the way across. Just fold right on that crease mark you just made. So we're folding right on the crease mark. Like that. So we have an intersection. And I'll use my pen and draw it in so it's easier to see. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. And let's repeat on this side. So fold like this and just fold in the middle. You can make the crease mark about an inch. Maybe if you're using 10-inch paper like I am, it can probably be about a couple inches. And take this corner and bring it to this crease right here. Or you can take this corner or this point and bring it to that corner. Do it however you can and fold right on the crease mark. So we have an intersection, and I'll draw it in just for camera's sake. Alright, now what we're going to do is take this corner and fold it to that cross. Fold all the way across, unfold, rotate, and fold this corner to that cross. Okay, and do not unfold this time. What we're going to do is we're going to take this corner, and you should see an intersection. I'll just draw it in so you can see it. So there's an intersection right there of the two crease marks. Fold this corner to there. Okay, unfold, and now tuck this flap inside. Now, fold this flap over like this, and fold this corner to that intersection right there. Those are the crease marks we did before. If you don't see an intersection there, then just fold this up so it aligns at the edge. Okay, unfold. And fold this over like this too. Alright, now keep it like this. And we're going to take this bottom edge and we're going to fold it to there. And we're almost done. Alright, just to make the next step easier. The next step is not too hard, by the way. It's that part where we stick this flap into the pocket. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up right on this point. And you want to fold it up, how much? I say pretend like there's a imaginary crease right here. You can just fold it up so this edge is parallel with that imaginary line. It doesn't really matter, just something like this. We're just narrowing the flap out so it's easier to stick inside. You can really narrow it however you want. Maybe you can fold it up just a little bit like that. It's up to you. But this is just one of the guide marks that I like. And repeat on this side. So I'm folding on the point. And this edge is parallel with the imaginary line. Alright. And now wrap this flap over. That's why it's called the wraparound envelope. Unfold, and we're gonna wrap it again, but sticking it into the pocket this time. So open up the pocket, and you can just kind of curl this a little bit so it's easier, and tuck it into that pocket. Alright, and just flatten it really good like this. And we are done. So, if you want to make it more exciting, you can write the words "Open Me." So yeah, this is perfect for like a Father's Day gift or something. You can put some cash in there, or some gift, or you can write a note in there, like what I did in the YouTube short recently. Yep, so you can tell them the way to open it is just open this pocket and then so ask them to pull that flap out, and then it should be pretty easy to open like this. Okay, you can stick something inside there. Close back up. I actually really like this new model I designed. This is really handy. It's really easy to make and it's really cool. And it makes a perfect gift for someone. Like, it's perfect to put cash inside there as a gift. Like for someone's birthday or Father's Day, Mother's Day, pretty much any holiday. So yeah. And maybe if you close these edges off, it'll be a flicker. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep my model clean. So there it is. Alright, well, hope guys liked this model and enjoyed this tutorial and found this video useful. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, if you guys folded it, make demos of it. I'd like to see it. Alright, bye guys.